Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be discussing how to reconnect or pair it up to a new Wi-Fi, or if you have a new password, and this is probably what's going to transpire. It's going to try to connect, it'll just go offline. So this happens in a couple different options if you've changed your password on your Wi-Fi network, or in my case, I have a brand new service, internet service, so that all my old passwords and obviously my old router, it's not being able to communicate, and so it is broken. But the good news is that we're gonna go ahead and show you in this video how to reconnect this to your existing Wi-Fi network with a new password, or your brand new Wi-Fi network that also has a new password. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. So the first thing we're going to do is fire up the Amazon Alexa app. Now this is actually new. I haven't seen this pop up before. This might be a brand new update with the Amazon Alexa app. Let's go ahead and hit continue here. And actually it looks like they have updated the app, which is really super cool. So for some oddball reason, if you do not see that, that just popped up on our screen. But my guess is you probably will. We're going to go ahead and hit the action button on the Echo device, which is going to be this button right here out of the 4. Again, this one right here. Okay, we're actually holding it down right now, and obviously you can't see that. And then we're in setup mode.
The instructions in your Alexa app.
It took about 3 seconds, and now we have a orange rotating light, like so here. Rotates around. All right, now we're going to hit continue here. All right, guys, actually that did not work for me. I couldn't get past one menu screen, so it looks like there's a glitch in the app. So I'm going to take you through it the old-fashioned way. We want to come down here to bottom right, devices, click on devices, and up at the top, you're going to see Echo and the A word there. I'm not going to say it just due to trigger words for mine. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And as we can see here, I have quite a few devices, but we have a couple that are offline that state it right there. One that is bedroom, one that is my second, and one that is Echo Dot. And to be honest with you, I don't know which one's in front of me, but we're going to figure it out. Let's go ahead and click on Bedroom Echo Dot. Okay, so there's a lot of sensitive information in this app right here. That's why I have it blacked out. It just says the time zone, device location, my Wi-Fi network, etc. So I'd rather not have that information out on the internet here. So right here we have Wi-Fi and network. We want to go ahead and hit that button to the right of it that says change. Once we hit change, then we're back to this menu here with the orange light. If you don't see an orange light, you're going to have to put it in setup mode, which you push the button. Let's show you now, which is going to be this button right here out of the 4. Again, this one right here. Now that that orange light is on, let's go ahead and continue with yes. All right. So right here, we have the one that we have actually in setup mode. Let's go ahead and click on this top one here. Now I just heard a chime on my Echo, and I will have these Wi-Fi networks, of course, blacked out. But what you want to do is you want to connect to your network. So let's go ahead and choose my network. Okay, after I have chosen my network, I'm going to go ahead and enter my password for my network and then hit connect. And now after you hit connect, you're going to see this screen here, and we're going to go ahead and wait until
your Echo is ready.
Very nice. Okay, that didn't take very long. It took about maybe 10 or 12 seconds. And it says your Echo Dot is now connected, ready to roll. So that's beautiful. Now, before I do let you guys go, you're probably wondering, well, what if I have multiple devices? Well, just like this little screen that popped up, you can either follow it again. I got stuck. Maybe that was just a glitch. But let's go ahead and take a look at that real quickly here. As you can see, my other 2 Echo devices are still offline. I have one plugged in right now, and you're gonna have to go through the same process. Choose which one you want, and once again, my information is covered up, but go ahead and do the exact same instructions we just talked about, and that is what you're gonna have to do for each individual device. Alrighty, let's test it. Alexa, what's the weather?
It's 65 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for cloudy skies moving in and out with a low of 52 degrees.
Excellent. Hit that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.